In the melting snows of Ontario, where the wind will make you shiver, 'twas the month of May up in Georgian Bay, near the mouth of the Musquash River, where the bears prowl and the coyotes howl, and you can hear the osprey scream. Back in '99 we were cutting pine and sending it down the stream. Young Sandy Gray came to go home Bay, all the way from PEI, where the weather's rough and it makes you tough. No man's afraid to die. Sandy came a-smiling, 30,000 Islands was the place to claim his glory. Now Sandy's gone, but his name lives on. This is Sandy's story. Young Sandy Gray lives on today in the echoes of a mighty owl. Listen close and you'll hear a ghost in this story that I tell. Boys, this story that I tell. Now Sandy Gray was boss of the men who'd toss the trees onto the shore. They'd come and go till they built a flow, 100,000 logs or more. And he'd ride them down towards Severn Sound to cut them up in the mills for timber. And the ships would haul spring, summer, and fall till the ice came in December. One Sabbath day, Big Sandy Gray came into camp with a peavey on his shoulder. When the thunder cracked, he dropped his axe and the room got a little bit colder. Said, come on all you, we got work to do. We gotta give her all we can do.